area. So if my edges can do this, so can yours.
She want my attention.
You read the title, let's get started. If you like lock videos and you want more videos, subscribe because I will keep on uploading them and I have full intentions on uploading them all the time. I'm about to show you guys how I do my edges in-depther version. Some of you guys are just in those areas to where you need a weatherproof edge control. So not only will I be giving you guys a review, I will also be giving you guys a product list based off your hair type. Let's get started. When you're applying edge control, depending on how frequent you're applying edge control, you can lose your edges doing your edges too much. One way to kind of slow that process down is to not do your edges as much, but also to apply oil on your edges like every other day, every 3 days. Like, make sure you're regularly applying oil. Don't do it right before you do your edges because that's counterproductive. But for me, no promo, this is the easiest thing to do daily, okay? Because this has the peppermint, the rose water, the vegetable glycerin, and the tea tree oil. So this is best as a foundation for my edges because it helps me not have as much buildup and it adds that moisture and that health. So that's what I apply on my right before I do my edges. But I'm going to show you based off hair texture. For those of you who have a looser hair, what's that? What do you call it? Texture, I guess? Like probably like 3A, 3B, 3C. This is what I use. Napstar Super Hold Retwist Gel. I know it says retwist gel, but it lays your hair down. This is mostly what I use during winter because I don't sweat my edges out during winter. So boom, right here. It gives you that hold and it's very good for your hair. Next, for those of you who have 3C, 4A, 4B, you know, it's like, it just depends. I hate to put folks onto this one because they're always sold out, but I have a whole bunch, so I can't be upset. Sleek Roots Lock Braids and Styling Gel. First ingredient is not water. Water is actually probably like the 5th, 6th ingredient, but this right here is my swag. I kid y'all not, okay? This is Florida proof edge control. This All Day Locks Braid Gel. This right here, and it has tea tree oil in it as well. This right here, got it. This is what I'll be using today. Mousse, okay? Mousse allows you to sculpt. The edge control allows you to really just slick it down. So for mousse options, my favorite, the healthiest for your edges, Tropical Roots. You cannot go wrong with this. This for laying your hair, anything really. I love this because it's so healthy for your hair and it does its job. Nairobi. This gets the job done. The problem is the more I use it, the more acne. So I rarely will use it, but yeah. I mean, I'm talking about I rarely use it. This thing's halfway gone. If you don't have a scarf, your edges will not last as long. Yeah, they'll last, but they're not gonna last as long. So I will be using my Nairobi right here. You're gonna let them sit in. While you let them sit in, because I need to interlock my hair, you want a slick look, so I'll be retwisting my edges lightly. So you see? Retwisted. And I'm not playing with y'all. I'm really not playing with y'all, so lock in. I have 2 types of edge brushes. I have a mousse brush and I have a gel brush. I don't want that. I don't want to mix. That's like cross-contamination, you know? You gotta cook. You have to cook. So I sculpt, okay? Brush everything in that needs to be brushed in and take everything out that needs to be taken out. So I feel like when you just raw dog it and just edge control on just any old hair look. That's not healthy. That's not even healthy. So boom. They took this away from me. I had a full thing before I went to the airport. Why did I bring a taser through the airport? Good thing I'm not a felon. Thank God, the Lord is good. I tapped this 3 times. Look at how much is on the brush. You don't have to do too much. It doesn't matter what state you're in, you don't have to do too much. This is how you get edges that are cute. And you see already. Now, here's how you really swoop. When you swoop, you have to pull it down, hold it, and then swoop. Okay? Pull it down, hold it, swoop. So that you get that 1-2. Pull it down, hold it, swoop. That's the pattern. Pull it down, hold it, swoop. Pull it down, hold it, swoop. Take my Shine and Jam. Ben had this a while. Put it in my hair. Okay. Take your 1-2. Now my sides, I don't really have to lay down. My sides will stay put. So that's why they're not really in the in this thingy. I'm going to have this on. I recommend sitting with it for 20 minutes, but I'm gonna set my alarm for 15 because I gotta go grocery shopping. So yeah, I'll see y'all then. Now, and you could feel when it's dry because it feels dry. Y'all see? No more excuses. Okay, y'all see the vibes? Let me look. I should have kept it on for like 5 more minutes. Put on your best, head out the house, and when you walk by folks, be like, what'd you say? That's what I do. I be like, wait, what'd you say? What was that? That's how I be. Don't let anyone, it does not matter. This just F the edges. When you walk anywhere, you walk like, hello, okay? You don't have to walk stank. You don't have to look mean, but you just look like somebody. You walk like who you are. Y'all are somebody, right? So you walk like you're somebody. I'm not answering no questions in the comments, okay? I'm not answering no, I'm playing. I'm actually being for real though, y'all. I have 3 edge tutorials, okay? 3 edge tutorials, including this one. There's a lot of tutorials with a lot of products and different ways to do your edges. So if you guys have a question and I know it's in one of those videos, I'm gonna link the video for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, okay? Ooh, how many subscribers are we at? You know, I didn't even thank y'all. Did I even thank y'all for 3,000? I did not even thank y'all for 3,000. I feel like that's disrespectful. Because I said, okay, I'll celebrate when I get 3,500. 3,500 came. Now I'm like, okay, I'll celebrate when I get 5,000. We need to celebrate the smalls and the bigs. And I feel like this is a huge one, okay? So thank you guys, all 3,587 of y'all. Thank y'all so much. If you want to be 3,588 and you want to be part of this community, it's a safe community too, and I'm real honest. Subscribe, okay? Y'all see the shadow. Even the shadow's telling you to subscribe, okay? Subscribe. And let's get to 5,000. I love y'all so much. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.